Hi friends. Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x8024a203 in Windows 10 and 11. Go to Start. And then click on Settings. Now click on System Settings from the left panel. At the right side, scroll down. And then click on Troubleshoot option. Click on Other Troubleshooter. Now you have to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Here the Windows Troubleshooter will try to find any problem with your Windows Update. If you find any Windows Update related issue, then you have to rectify it. Otherwise, click on Close button. Open this PC. Now go to C drive. Inside C drive, open Windows. Scroll down and search Software Distribution folder. Now open Software Distribution folder. Here these files and folders are no longer required. Select all and press Shift and Delete key. Click on Yes option. Click on Continue. Some of the files might not get deleted, you can skip them. Select Do this for all current items. Click on Skip. To start the System File Checker tool, go to Start and type CMD in the search bar. Now select the command prompt at the top of the result. Right-click on the command prompt and then click on Run as administrator. Type sfc/scan now on the command prompt. And then press Enter. Don't close this command prompt window until the verification is 100% completed. If you found this message, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repair them, it means the system automatically repair corrupted files.
Please subscribe this channel, like and share this video.